Hello everyone. This video demonstrates an original rib stitch with a unique texture, impressive relief, and plenty of volume. The stitch has a lovely texture and offers good elasticity. The scheme comprises 7 loops, 5 are found in the knit column and 2 in the purl column. I will be using a technique that I first introduced a year ago. Since then, my channel has added 5 models featuring one-sided and two-sided knitting patterns that use this technique, available in both Bulgarian and English. You can find all of these models collected in a playlist titled Panzer Chains, named after the jewelry chain that this knitting method visually resembles. I will leave a link to the playlist at the end of the video. Today, we will apply this technique in both left and right variations, each consisting of 2 loops. I will demonstrate each in detail. The left option is performed in 2 rows. On the right side, knit 2 together, then knit the second loop. On the wrong side, slip the first with thread in front and purl the second. The right option is performed in 2 rows. On the right side, slip the first as if to knit, and knit the second. On the wrong side, purl 2 together, then purl only the second loop. Now, let's return to today's knitting design. We start with several stitches multiple of 7 plus 2 loops for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. The scheme consists of only 2 rows. The first row starts on the right side. Begin by slipping the edge loop. Next, purl 2 divider loops. Then, you will work on 5 loops, 2 for the right chain part, 1 central loop, and 2 for the left chain part. In the right section, slip 1 and knit 1. Then, knit the central loop. In the left section, knit 2 loops together, then knit 1. Repeat this sequence. Purl 2, slip 1, knit 1, knit the central loop, knit 2 loops together, and finish with knit 1. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, purl 2 loops for symmetry. The second row is on the wrong side. Start by slipping the edge loop, then, knit 2 loops for the divider. In the left part, slip 1 loop and then purl 1 loop. Next, slip the central loop. In the right section, purl 2 loops together and then purl 1 loop. Repeat this sequence. Knit 2, slip 1, purl 1, slip the central loop, purl 2 loops together, and purl 1. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2 loops for symmetry. Repeat these 2 rows until you achieve the desired length. This technique will create a unique knitted fabric with a distinctive texture, making it suitable for any season or type of yarn. It has exceptional elasticity, and the structure maintains its integrity vertically, which prevents it from becoming skewed. This fabric is ideal for clothing and accessories throughout the year. I hope this information is helpful for your future projects, and I highly recommend trying it out. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.